Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kinesh, and if you're new here, welcome to all my returning subscribers and supporters. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. Because in today's video I am going to show you guys how I make rice water to use as a leave-in for the hair. What I'm using 1/4 cup of rice, white rice. That's what I have in the house, and you could use any rice that you want. So one quart cup of rice. I'm using 1.5 cups of water, and I am gonna put that on the stove to boil. Yes guys, so let me show you guys what I have here. Okay guys, so in this bowl I have my rice. I washed my rice already and I add my water to it. I'm just going to go ahead, put my burner on, and then I'm gonna add this to the pot. That did not work. 1 second. Okay guys, so we have the rice in the pot with the and the pot is on the stove. So we are gonna leave this to boil for about anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes, just to get the goodness out of the rice into the water. We don't want to cook it too much so that the rice doesn't soak up all of the water. So guys, yeah, so anywhere from between 10 and 12 minutes. I'll tell you guys how much. So guys, as my rice boil, I decided to add some of these herbs to my leave-in. So I have rosemary, I have sage, and I also have some peppermint leaf. So rosemary and peppermint and sage, they're like really good for the scalp and the hair. So I just decided to add them to my rice water leave-in. So I am going to add about this already so hard. Anyways, guys, you don't want me to be great. You don't want me to be great. Okay guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, I added my herbs to the mason jar. So I just took the leaves of this stem, the one at the bottom here, and then I added about 5 leaves of the sage, about a tablespoon about a tablespoon of the peppermint leaf, and this is what we came with. So I've been boiling for like the past 10 minutes. Let's go check it. Okay guys, so the rice have been boiling for like 10 minutes, so I took it off. I am going to go add the rice water. I'm gonna drain the water off into the mason jar, and then just allow that to sit and cool before I transfer it to my my spray bottle. So guys, this is what it's gonna look like. Be careful when you transfer your rice into your jar, because it's really hot. Yes guys, so this is how I'm going to use it. My herbs are in there. I'm gonna cover it and leave it so that it can cool down. I am also going to be adding some essential oils, so lavender and tea tree oil, and then I'm going to be adding some of this conditioner to it, just to give it a little add a little moisture, because rice water by itself can be a little bit harsh on the hair. This is optional though, like the herbs, I would advise to add the essential oils, but the herbs is optional. The conditioner also is optional. It's up to you if you want to put it on your hair or not. Yeah, so I hope this video was informative. I hope that you guys like it. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, suggestion, anything you want in the comments below. Sorry guys, and if you like my content and you haven't yet, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll appreciate it. Remember guys, love hard, forgive easy, be kind, and guys, be safe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.